guys, Pink Piggy here, and I'm going to do a react video to how to make Five Nights at Freddy's 4 not scary. I've seen maybe, I think I've seen something like it. I've seen the first one. Here, I'll turn it up a bit.
Scary, I do. I highly suggest that if you guys like this video, you check out some of what I seriously consider far better, like these. They'll be at the end of the video too, don't worry. Enjoy anyway. Or don't enjoy it. I'm sorry if you didn't want this.
Here comes that song again. Oh, kind of different this time. Actually, I get it now. Because Five Nights at Freddy's 4 is in the house. Spoiler! Oops. What? Foxy, what are you doing in a closet? Crazy. That isn't... What? Fuzz? What? What the?
The joke is so old now. Just stop. Yeah, you brought that upon yourself. Your accent still sucks, Freddy.
He's never had an accent.
This is working out real nicely.
Go to the dentist and fix your teeth.
What?
Freddy's done
What the? What? What the heck is going on? What? Oh my, what the heck is going on here? Freddy Flappy Bird, everybody. And they died in Luke Tapley. What? And they died in Luke Tapley. Okay. Comments? Oh. Thought that would be over.
This is nothing like the first two. Garrett is just a clickbait jerk who clearly wastes all your money since he tries to get people to watch his videos with good quality and hardly.
The universe is exploding!
Definitely a clickbaiter, no question. This isn't funny. Totally not like the third one. What is satire? I don't understand anything. Wow, Garrett, you are disappointing. I'm unsubscribing. Garrett, if you don't fix this, I'm gonna come to your house and kill you. Fnaf isn't scary. How dare you make a satirical part about us infuriated fanboys at the end? Bye. Thanks for watching.
What?
I seriously encourage you guys to go check out my other stuff like RTTC. Just give it a shot. If you don't like it, that's okay. It's your thing. Just give it a shot. Also, huge thanks to Josiah Clark for shooting the video for me, obviously.
Well, that was interesting.
Also, I stream now. That's a thing.
Well, I hope you really enjoyed that. I loved it. That was really weird. Leave a like or subscribe if you liked it. Maybe even subscribe if you want. Please. 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 Bye, guys.